Understanding how the law works is important for every Canadian in every walk of life. That's why Queen's University's Faculty of Law is excited to introduce our new Certificate in Law, Canada's only fully online certificate in law. Whether you're a pre-law student, a professional or entrepreneur, or studying another field entirely, the legal literacy you'll get from the certificate can give you the edge in business, academics, and civic engagement. Right now, the certificate consists of 7 courses, all delivered online, designed to give students a balanced, comprehensive, and fundamental understanding of the Canadian legal landscape. Introduction to Canadian Law, Workplace Law, Aboriginal Law, Corporate Law, Public and Constitutional Law, Intellectual Property Law, and International Law. You can take any 4 of the 7 available courses to earn your certificate, or just take the ones that will advance your specific career goals. For example, Corporate Law helps entrepreneurs, executives, and people in professional services understand the essential aspects of contracts, business governance, and incorporation, the foundations of starting a successful business. Learn about the ways you can protect your ideas, even without a patent. Enter into shareholder and partnership agreements and the options for financing your business. If you're thinking of starting a business, this course is for you. Considering working in natural resources or with First Nations communities? Aboriginal law can help you navigate some of the complex issues related to land rights and the duty to consult with First Nations peoples. For anyone interested in the law, society, and human rights, Introduction to Canadian Law provides foundational knowledge. From criminal to business law, from contracts to constitutional law, Introduction to Canadian Law introduces you to what the law is and how it operates. Combining knowledge with the basics of legal reasoning, it's the perfect opener. Interested in human resources? Workplace law provides students with a practical understanding of the rights and privileges governing employees and employers, and how these are established, negotiated, and sometimes fought over. Considering a career in politics or the provincial, municipal, or federal public service? Understanding the Canadian Constitution is an absolute must. Public and constitutional law reviews the general principles of public law, focusing on the government, the sources, and nature of legal rules, and the limits on their powers. The course explores concepts like democracy, parliamentary sovereignty, the rule of law, constitutional supremacy, and the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Invention is the norm in today's digital economy. Anytime you write a line of code, record a song, or post to a blog, you are creating intellectual property, and intellectual property has value. In intellectual property law, you'll learn what protections apply to you and how you can use the intellectual property of others. Understanding IP law is a must for people working in arts and entertainment or technology. We live in an increasingly globalized world where trade across borders is fluid and fast. Political decisions have effects that can be felt around the world. Issues like global health, climate change, poverty, income inequality, economic development, and human rights need to be addressed at the global level. If you want to work in a field that makes a global impact, our International Law course can help you understand the legal frameworks that allow or sometimes inhibit cooperation between nations. Law is the foundation of a working society. It's the fundamental regulator of every aspect of the way we live and interact, whether we're in business, at work, at home, or at play. Understanding the law means seeing opportunities or dangers that other people might miss. It can give you an edge in business, academia, politics, and help you understand what it means to be a lawyer. And if you're thinking about law school but aren't sure if it's right for you, these courses provide a strong, enriching, and practical way to dip your toes into the waters of Canadian law. And remember, the courses are all delivered online, meaning you can take them from anywhere without interrupting your work or studies. Visit takelaw.ca to learn more about our program and the ways in which the certificate can help you understand the Canadian legal landscape.